Okay, in this section, we'll discuss about parallel structure with comparisons. When do we use parallel structure with comparisons? When we want to point out the similarities or differences between two items or two nouns or two verbs, and we will use the connectors for comparisons. Like in this example, my school is bigger than your school. Here we compare my school and your school. How do we compare these two nouns? Bigger. We will use the adjective bigger here, and we use this connector, bigger than. The next example is this car is expensive as that car. Here it shows similarities, as expensive as. So in these two examples, we insert the adjective to point out the comparisons between the two items or two nouns here. And the next one is renting those apartments costs about the same as leasing them. So in this case, we compare renting the apartments and leasing the apartments. And we point out the similarity and we will use the same as. Another connectors that we can use is similar to. The work that I did is similar to the work that you did. Here we compare the work that I did and the work that you did. Because we point out the similarities, then we will use similar to. So that's the examples of parallel structure with comparisons and some of the connectors that you can use. And you can also find others. You can also study from the other sources. Thank you so much for listening.